Traders 4-hour time frame euro dollar. Let's just go out to the daily and I'll give you my take on this. Right, this trend, we've got this break of structure, bearish there. Lower highs, lower lows, BOS right there. So lower highs, lower lows. So this trend's been compromised. Now we're trending down. This is fairly overextended. We've moved into this big support zone here. You want to be a little bit careful. I'm looking for a sell opportunity, but I definitely don't want to be getting in short around this level here. It's overextended and I'd be chasing price if I shorted it. Now it could roll over here and continue down, and if it did that and left me behind, I'm more than happy to let it go. But what I would be interested in would be if it pulls back up into around these levels in here, I'd be looking for a short. Now we could look at this on a 4-hour time frame. Consider, okay, these lows here as a target potentially. We've got, well, there's another target. How far do you want to go with that? And then these lows here ultimately. I mean, a move down into there would be awesome if we shorted that and it played out in our favor. Don't underestimate how far this can move, guys. I mean, look at these trends on the daily. Look how far they travel. All right, so this has shifted gears here, and I mean, you know, this target down here is not out of the question at all. So, looking at that, and also the other thing is, don't underestimate how far this thing can move, right? We could see quite an aggressive pullback. Have a look at some of these moves here. Like if you pull low to high, measured move, I mean, everywhere you look, we're seeing a move similar to this. That's not out of the question. Let's have a look and see what that looks like on the 4-hour. Okay, if that's the case, well, that's a pullback right up into this bearish order block. Okay, so there's a couple of ideas on the 4H with this. Understand that this could move back up in here. I'm looking to short it, and you know, I want the opportunity. Setting up a sell limit up in here is you know, it's much less of an opportunity to get a fill, and it's less risk. Like if this trades all the way back up in here, there's a fairly good chance that, you know, that would work out. But you know, I want to get involved. We've got this resistance through here, this balance area. And we've got an imbalance, this red candle. So if it's looking to rebalance, it could trade through this imbalance, possibly. And I would go a Fibonacci from this high down to the low. Okay, 61.8786. That works beautifully. So I'm looking to place a pending short. Crack this 50 into the imbalance, 61.8. Stop above this high here. Understand the risk though. And there's one target. See this 50? This is an extension of 50% of this price swing high to low here on the Fibonacci 50. And what I've done is I've just set that up so that it gives me a measured move down and then another 50% measured move to the 100. And I'm always looking for my targets around these levels. And it so happens that price action we looked at previously comes into play at these two levels. So there's a 3.8R potential result. Now, if this pulls back and we get a fill and it trades in our favor, I'll be looking to pull the stop loss down to better than break even very quickly and hang on to it and see what we get out of it. And we might get a 3 or a 4R result potentially. Yeah, something like that. That could be a thing, guys. So understand the risk. I mean, you know, this thing could get aggressive, and look at this pullback here. So if we measure that, okay, there's another bearish order block sitting up in here, and we also have another imbalance right there. Okay, 4-hour time frame imbalance. So the market, you know, it's looking to rebalance and it's looking for liquidity, right? It could look to pull back up into this level as well. So I'm going to go with this idea, and I will take the risk. If I get taken out, then so be it. But, you know, if you're conservative, well, where's your entry and where's your stop loss? Your stop would be above this high. But that's, well, you know, it's a 1.5R result. So you'd want to be entering up around this imbalance here somewhere with your stop above, say, this candle body. And, you know, there's a 3.4R result. But the question is, you know, does it pull back that far? I'm thinking we get a pullback into this balance or this value area here and this imbalance, and hopefully it gets filled here and rolls over. So you know, understand the risk. I'd be going short there, and I'll take the risk. and that's my setup. Something like that. Stop above that high, right? That's my take on the euro dollar. Be careful, trade wisely, okay? Keep your lot sizes conservative and be consistent, and you'll come out on top. Okay, guys, with that, I'd love to hear your comments, and safe trading as always. Have a great day. See you in the next video.